how is everyone doing? We're back with another video. This one isn't specific. Actually, you know what? This is specifically for GoMining. This is for your taxes and for Bitcoin mining and what to do because it is tax season. And for some reason, a lot of people, not really a lot, but a decent amount of people, for some reason think that even though I call myself a retard all the time, they are asking me for tax advice and how to file their taxes. I don't know about you, but if you're asking someone who literally calls himself a retard how to file your taxes, you might be even more retarded because you just want them to fuck it up for you. Not to mention, I'm in Canada. Almost 96% of the audience that watches my videos are from the US. The taxes are completely different. I don't know what files or forms that you guys have to fill out to do your taxes. I have no fucking idea. I do not know. So for the people asking, you know, how do I file my taxes? I'm just going to go through a rough little thing on how to do it. But what you're going to want to do is have your tax accountant or a financial advisor do it for you. Not someone on YouTube who literally calls himself a fucking retard, because I am going to state it once again. I am retarded. I am very retarded, but I'm not retarded enough to show you guys that. All you need to do is, you know, click on the GoMining home button here. It'll bring you to this little dashboard. Click on rewards. Very simple. Then what you're going to want to do is, depending on if you're in solo mining or miner wars, either or, whichever one that you're in, you will be able to see it because you'll see rewards are here because I'm in solo mining. There's no rewards here if it wants to load. Or actually, well, it does show it, but it shows all the way back to the last time that I was in miner wars. And if you've been in both, well, you're going to want to export all of your files. To do this, very simple. I'm just going to give you a little example for solo mining. Come on over here to this calendar date. We're going to go to the very beginning of the year. So we're going to go to 2026. This is already at 2026. We're going to go to January and we're going to export 90 days of mining. So from January, I'm actually going to click April and I'm going to do the 1st to 1st. Click apply. And when you export it, it actually won't show this last day that you've selected. It'll just choose up to the second last day. It's a little confusing. I found that out through trial and error, but it is what it is. So now that you've selected your 90 days worth, if it's more than 90 days, you won't be able to export it. You click this little button here. Click it. Click export CSV. You click on that. Oh, and what do you know? I've exceeded 90 days. Literally says it right here. Report period cannot exceed 90 days. So I'm actually just going to do 2 months. I'm going to do January all the way up to February, but I'm going to click on March. I'm going to click the 1st. That way it gets all of February. Click apply. You can see it's showing March 1st there, but of course it's actually not going to include it for some reason. I don't know why. Again, it's just the way that it is. Click this again. Click export CSV, and right there you can export it. If you don't have your email put your email in. Mine's automatically loaded in, and yours should be as well because it's going to be based off of the email linked to your account. Literally says it here. Send it to your email linked to your profile. So it should already be there. Now, because I've actually recently exported last month's file like 2 hours ago, I'm not going to be able to export again, but you'll figure this out by clicking that. Oh, wow. Okay. For some reason it worked. For some reason that worked. It shouldn't have, but it did, because normally you're not allowed to do more than 2 exports within a 24-hour period unless they've actually changed that. I don't know if they've changed it, but considering that just worked, they may have changed it. Then you're going to want to open your email. I use Microsoft Outlook, whatever email you use. You'll see that you get an email from GoMining. I'm actually not even going to open my email to show you guys because I might just be too much personal information, so no need. You'll see the email, you'll click on it, there'll be a file, you download the file, and then you're able to open the file within your computer. It's going to look something like this. This is from my very beginning of Miner Wars, from 2024, 03, 05, all the way up to 2024, 04, 30. And it shows everything. It shows, well, not pool reward because this was in Miner Wars. So reward, the rounds, the blocks. If I scroll over, the amount of power I had. See, I started with 16 terahash, quickly made my way up to 101. Maintenance paid by GMT, false, did not do that. Reward protection, false, did not do that. It shows your discount. This shows the electricity cost, the service cost, status, it has been exported to address, the amount of Bitcoin sent to your address, and your transaction ID. It shows all of this information. And what do you do with this information? Well, you send that to your tax provider, the person doing your taxes. And if you do not have someone doing your taxes, you know what you can do? You can go to the internet, you open a tab, and you click TurboTax. Not sure if anyone's ever heard of TurboTax. Now, because I'm in Canada, it's going to show TurboTax for Canada, but this is actually an American company. So I'm going to click on this. I'm going to come on over to pricing so you can see the pricing for do-it-yourself in Canadian dollars as little as $0 to $60. For expert assistance, $60 to $110, or for expert full service is $75 to $250. And what do they do? Well, obviously this is do-it-yourself. This is getting assistance from an expert. Or what I would advise, because a lot of you are asking, you're literally asking, hey, what do I do? What do I do? I don't know what to do, which is why when I end up doing my taxes this year, I am going to be doing a expert full service, because actually in the past, my grandpa used to do it because he was an accountant. So he would just do it all for me. But now he is too old to to be able to do that, unfortunately. So I'm actually going to be paying someone on TurboTax to do it for me. And right here, literally, tax expert prepares, reviews, and files your taxes in as little as a day. It might be different in the US, but I would assume it's around the same, just different prices. The service and support is product support, unlimited year-around expert help. I'm going based off of the full service one. Final expert review, audit support, literally does your taxes, audit defense, product features, import tax documents to pre-fill your return. Right there, right there. That's what you're going to do. That's what you're going to do. You're going to upload your exported CSV file into TurboTax, into the TurboTax, so they can then go based off of that information, review it, understand how much you need to pay, this, that, and bada boom, bada bing. You now know what to do for your Bitcoin mining and GoMining income through mining Bitcoin. So if anyone, keeps asking, hey, can you help me with this? What do I do? What do I do with my taxes? I'm just going to literally respond with my Bitcoin address saying, send all your Bitcoin here. And then if you do that, well, considering that, you're asking some random guy online how to do your taxes, I'm hoping that you'll send me all your Bitcoin and I'll just, take it from you, because you clearly aren't smart enough to think for yourself. You're asking literally someone online who is calling themselves a retard almost every video how to do your taxes for you. Don't do that. Figure it out yourself. Use your brain. Everyone can use a brain. It's pretty logical. It is pretty logical. And also, for the people who like to reply to those other people saying, oh, Astro probably doesn't report and file his taxes for crypto. I mean, I'm literally making YouTube videos on it. This is like self-snitching if I don't. So obviously I am, which is also why I export my files. There would be no reason for me to even know how to export my Bitcoin mining rewards if I was not filing and trying to get a return on them and or pay more, literally pay them for mining own Bitcoin. But it is what it is, because there's certain days here. Last week, I literally made $300 in 3 days. And actually, funny enough, there was one guy saying that, oh, you didn't make... Actually, let's find that comment. Let's find that specific comment, because it was hilarious. Right here, this guy, he not even correct English. You not get $100 in your wallet. They cut the maintenance fee and energy also, so you will get maybe $30 to $40. That was after I posted a screenshot of me, literally making $100. But his comment doesn't make sense, because if he said that they cut the maintenance fee and energy fee, well, then that means I'd be paying less for the fees. But I'm pretty sure what he meant is they take a cut of the maintenance fee and energy fee. So I told him, seems like you have no idea how GoMining works, but you do you, boo-boo. And he says, I only do the math. If you're watching this, sir, do the math. The pool reward is $101.04. My reward was $101.04. You want to know why? You want to know why? Because my maintenance and electricity fees were paid with GoMining token. That's what it was. So, don't just speak out your own ass because you actually don't know what you're talking about, because on the app, when it shows at the home screen how much you made that day, that is after maintenance fees. That's showing your reward. That's not showing just the pool reward. Maybe you might be correct on this day to where I actually did pay my electricity and maintenance fees with the pool reward, so I made $37.70. But if I post something, I'm not bullshitting, because it's very easy to see if I'm bullshitting or not, because I also show all my rewards every week when I do my weekly update. So yeah, that's just a little call out for you, Mr. Poostain. I'm gonna call you Mr. Poostain, not Shadows and Echoes Music. You're Mr. Poostain, because you clearly don't understand math. Not sure where are you getting this number to? Where are you getting that number from? You make 0.000506 Bitcoin. I don't see that amount of Bitcoin in any of these 3 days, and I made $100. It seems like you may have to go back to math class, brother, because you don't do math correctly. Ugh. I mean, you might be close with this number, but you're still off. You're still off. So, yeah, don't take advice. Don't take tax advice from me, who's calling myself a retard. Just export your files, go to TurboTax, and have an expert tax consultant do it for you. You're welcome. So yes, that will be everything for today. God bless all of you guys. Have a great day. And if you would like to start mining Bitcoin, there will be a referral link down in the description below. You'll get an extra 5% terahash on your first miner purchase. And right now, most people should know that they've really lowered their prices. So 1 terahash is $14.99. You can get started for a very low price. But if you do get started, don't be asking me for tax advice. I can't stress that enough. Don't ask me for tax advice. I'm a retard, and if you want tax advice from a retard, you may be a retard yourself. So God bless. Have a good one. We'll see you guys soon, and take care. Honestly, please take care.
Don't discriminate, scared to get money, get the hell up out my face. You win some, you lose some, but you live to trade another day.